Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Picsart Pro for free, and yes, this is completely legit. So first grab your phone and open the App Store or Google Play Store. Depending on what you're using, now type in Picsart, that's Picsart, and tap download. If you already have the app, just tap open. Once you're inside the app, you might see a bunch of upgrade options right away, so don't worry. Just tap start free trial when it pops up. Then Picsart gives you 7 days of pro features totally free. That includes things like background remover, premium filters, exclusive fonts, and a lot more. Just make sure you cancel the trial before the 7 days if you don't want to get charged. That is super important. And that's it. Now you've got full access to Picsart Pro without paying a single peso, at least for a week. Try it out and have fun editing.